everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MailChimp application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To download MailChimp application on your iPhone, first, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap Open your App Store. In the search bar that appears at the very top, type in MailChimp and search. Once you find the application displayed in the search result, if you tap on the app, you'll be able to see further information about the app on the next page. Simply tap the Get button in order to begin the downloading process for your application. And your download should begin. MailChimp's marketing and CRM mobile app helps you market smarter and grow your business faster. You can create marketing campaigns, design and publish social ads instantly, and so much more. Tap on the Open button to launch the app open once the download is completed, and there you have your application downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Get started with tapping on the Got It button at the lower right hand corner and start logging into your account, or if you don't have an account yet, sign up and create a free account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.